Good morning class. I am Premlata, your geography teacher. Today we will start 11th class Geography chapter 4 Climate. In the previous videos we have discussed 3 topics. Now today we will discuss the seasons in India. We will discuss the onset of the monsoon, how monsoon enters in India and how different type of seasons the people who are living in the northern part of India is receiving. How many types of seasons are there? What are the characteristics of these seasons? So, let me start the topic. Our today's topics, the onset of the monsoon and the important seasons. So, firstly we will discuss the onset of the monsoon. So, one important point is this. Who tell us about the winds and how the winds change their directions? So first of all, the Arabian traders, they came to India for trading purposes. At that time, they realized that the winds are changing the direction with the passage of time. Because sometimes they were supporting them to sail their boats and sometimes they were opposing them. That's why they realized that the winds are changing the directions with the passage of time. That's why the seasons are changing. So you all are aware that the main cause of making of the seasons, the change of the seasons is the revolution of the earth. So firstly, we will discuss that what are the main cause of different types of seasons are there and the IST zones originate. So, onset of the monsoon. Earlier also I told that the monsoon enters in India from southwest direction. That's why the winds are known as southwest winds because these winds enters from this direction. How these winds come to India and why? This is the question of today's learning. So, on April and May month, the sun rays falls vertically on Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitudinal extent. So when sun rays falls on Tropic of Cancer, the north part of India receive more hotness. Or we can say the northern hemisphere receive lot of hotness and southern hemisphere winter. During November and December month, sun rays falls vertically at Tropic of Capricorn. So at that time north hemisphere receive winter season. High pressure belt originate in northern hemisphere and low pressure belt originate in south hemisphere. So southwest winds enter in India from Kerala's coastal part on 1st June and within 10 or 15 days separate from the different parts of India. Next one is rain bearing system. So listen, look at the map. On the both the sides of peninsula part, on the southeastern side Bay of Bengal is there. On the southwest side Arabian Sea is there. So there are two branches, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Next one is El Nino. So near the Christmas, at the ending of the December month on the birth of Christ, at that time in south hemisphere more hotness like May and June month in north hemisphere. So low pressure belt originate that was known as on the coast of Peru is known as El Nino. Next one, break of monsoon. Yes, break means stability or rest for a time. When monsoon enter in India from the southwest, when there is continuously rainfall for 4-5 days, or maybe more than 6 days, then there is a rest for 1 week or 2 weeks, again the rainfall start. So that time period, resting time, is known as break in monsoon. Next one is seasons. So this is the another main topic of today's learning. Seasons. How many seasons are there? In junior classes you have discussed that 3 main seasons are there. And on the basis of these seasons there are 3 cropping systems also, like that Rabi, Kharif and Zaid crops. So winter season, then summer season, then rainy season. But in our today's topic, in climate chapter, we are discussing 4 seasons. Cold weather season, hot weather season, advancing monsoon, or we can say onset of the monsoon, and returning of the monsoon. So here we will discuss the characteristics of the cold weather season firstly. So listen, look at the map. The temperature and the hotness and coldness and difference between the duration of day and night times are different in northern and southern part of India. In first chapter of geography, in the location we have discussed all these things. The southern hemisphere receive the moderate temperature due to presence of water from 3 sides. And near the equator sun rays falls directly, so this region receive near about equal day and night time period. Hardly there can be difference of 40 minutes. But in north hemisphere, due to the distance, due to the away from the water bodies, and due to latitudinal and longitudinal extents, so in these parts there is more difference, near about 3 to 4 hours during the winter and summer. And there is variation in temperature also. In Rajasthan states, the western part of Rajasthan, there is temperature near about 50 degrees Celsius during the summer. And during the winter, days are cold, more cold because of there is sandy soil. In northern part of India, Ladakh sector, the temperature decreases near about minus 45 degrees Celsius. So there is a lot of difference during the duration of day and nights and in temperature. So cold weather seasons, days are warm and nights are cold. But in southern part, no more difference in the temperature and no more difference in duration of the time period. Next one is the hot weather season. Now this time period is going on. So in the north hemisphere you can receive all these things what I want to say to you. During the summer season, days are hot and nights are calm. Days are longer, nights are shorter. And western part of India, mainly Rajasthan states and some parts of Gujarat, these parts are receiving more hotness than the other parts. And northern part of India receive cool and calm environment due to the latitudinal extent. Next one is onset of the monsoon. Earlier we have discussed that we can say the advancing of the monsoon also. So during the first week of June to September, monsoon time period is there, onset of the monsoon. July and August are the rainiest month. Masinram is the wettest place in Meghalaya state, and Rajasthan state receive lowest rainfall, and Ladakh sector also. Next one is returning of the monsoon. So this part is new in subject matter of 9th and 11th classes. Returning of monsoon, what is the main factor behind that? Earlier we have discussed that due to the revolution of the earth, the wind change directions. So when the winds change direction, winds blow northeast to southwest, then they return from India. And the returning time period start from October to November and up to December. Completely monsoon dry from the India. So we have discussed the seasons also. Now I am telling some important questions. Note down these in your notebooks. Tell me the coldest month of India. Coldest month, December and January. Rainiest month, July and August. Hottest month, May and June. The cold weather season time period. Cold weather, November to Feb. The hot weather season, March to May. The rainy season, June to September. The returning time period, October to December. So these are some important questions regarding this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.